Boss, all day no good, man. Cut it. All right? Otherwise, I call up the council. What a beautiful day it is today in London, guys. It feels like summer. It's about 15 degrees, which is really good for us. A few things happening. I've got a few t-shirts, a few Just Jump t-shirts, which are back in stock. And I'm hooking up a friend of mine from social media. He's gonna get a couple of these t-shirts printed. He's also ordered the TRWF t-shirt, the Phantom t-shirt. But he's gonna get some printing on the back. And yeah, we're just gonna see where the day goes. I've got some family dinner kind of happening later on. I'm gonna see my cousins. And yeah, we're gonna get a tutorial out for you guys. Just the usual things. You've got like people doing building out the back, you've got birds. It's just the usual stuff that you're always gonna see on this channel. And we're gonna make sure that you get some value, you get some entertainment, and yeah, just sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of the video. Peace.
No problem, we'll try our best and we'll get it all done for you.
Cheers, buddy, I'm on my way. Thanks.
No problem, see you in a bit.
One of my favourite tunes going up as a kid. What a tune.
Wander around, grab a coffee. I'll get this done now.
Nice one, mate. Appreciate that.
Yeah, by the time you come back, it'll be done.
Whoa, dropped off the t-shirts. 15 to 20 minutes, they'll be done. What a beautiful, oh my days, this day is so nice. Costa done, breakfast done. Now I'm gonna go pick up the t-shirts, which I think are hopefully ready. Yeah, so we're looking to pay, basically, hopefully, the idea is to, in the future, get a customization feature available on the website. So if you guys ever want to kind of get your name written on the back, or if it's for a club, or if it's for your friends, if it's a gift, you guys can cop a t-shirt, or whatever it may be, hoodie, and yeah, put in your details, and then I can go and get the printing done for you, and we can make it look absolutely epic. It picks up. These are the first customization ones I'm doing. Oh, this looks really big, man. Flipping out.
Done them all, so they're nice size.
Wow. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, they can see that nice. That looks epic. I've got the t-shirts. It is now about 1 o'clock. Gonna head home, and we've got quite a few things on today. I want to get some cool videos done. And you know what, I'm gonna have to show you what I'm doing, because it just doesn't make sense if I tell you on camera right now. So we're gonna do that right now. Right, so on my way home, I have passed John Lewis, and I've decided to have a little gander. As you guys know, I like my gadgets, and I'm in the market for potentially a new set of wireless earphones. Right, so here we are. We've got the traditional Beats. We've got the Beats that I usually wear, but check these out. These are special edition black and yellow. I'm probably gonna buy these today, I'm not even joking. Right, so I'm actually looking for these Bose SoundSport. Comes wireless, but the only ones that they've got are the ones with the wire. I'm gonna go try and find these in Curry's next door, or I'm gonna grab one of these. It's got my boy here, Tristan, and John Lewis hooking me up with, what have you made me here, Tristan?
With your cappuccino. There you go.
Look at that.
Come down, have a demo, come see the machines, try coffee.
Croydon John Lewis hooks it up, guys. And this, look at this is nice.
Anytime.
Give me some spud. Respect, man.
Take care.
Say bye to the YouTube.
See you later.
I'll catch up with you. Good luck, man.
You're welcome. Take care.
Take easy. What a cool guy there, hooking me up with the coffee. So let's see if Curry's have got these earphones for me. No Gigi today. Normally she's around about here. She's at home just getting in some rest. And when I get home, we're going to start filming something epic. So I'm going to show you that when we get back. So many rows and rows of earphones, gadgets. Look at all this. I'm like in heaven. Definitely my weakness in life, which is electronics, gadgets. I'm not even much of a clothes person, not much of a car person, like I told you last week. Gadgets are just bliss for me. My boy Ruben is hooking up. Yes, Ruben! What you got? You got one for me?
Yeah, these ones, yeah?
Oh, look, my man's hooked it up.
Of course.
What are you gonna tell me? Bad news?
No, it's £179.
Respect, man.
You never know.
You need to hook it up, man.
Good, see you later.
Good meeting you, Ruben. Thanks, yeah? Nice one. I'm excited. Just picked up the Bose in-ear wireless no wires at all, so not even around the neck. This is gonna be sick. Only bad point is that I can't take them back once I've used them, so I'm pretty much committed. And I'm not even gonna lie, I've never even tried these headphones, but I'm a big Bose fan. Back in the days, Bose were my go-to earphones, but because they didn't do wireless, I picked up the Beats wireless, and they're falling apart now, and the wire that goes behind the neck kind of does get a little bit annoying sometimes. So we're gonna test these out. They better stay in my ears whilst I'm doing my skipping. And we're gonna do a little review video on this. Such a nice day. I'm happy. London's happy. Everyone's in a good mood. And this is the thing about England, about London anyway. When the sun is out, so many people are just so much more friendly. It's just a nice vibe around here, and I wish the flipping weather was good every day like this.
I got 21 seconds to go.
Yes, folks, it is 2 o'clock. This isn't going to straighten up, is it? Straighten. Loads of people. We've got the Palace game going on in the background. So the Palace Stadium, Crystal Palace Football Club is just up the road here. We've got tons and tons of people. Tons of supporters right now going down the road, making noise. Palace Brighton today, which is a massive kind of rivalry. And I've decided to stop here because I'm going to get my hair cut. So I don't know if you can see, just there. I'm going to get my hair cut because I realised in the sun, you cannot go out without just a trim. You can't get, I just don't look fresh. I don't feel good. So I'm going to get my hair cut and we're going to continue the day as normal, but I'm going to look fresh because basically what we're going to do is we're going to film a quality tutorial today. We're going to do a Jake Gyllenhaal, I can never say his name. Jake, basically the sick actor who's in Southpaw and all these crazy films. He does quite an epic, quite a slick one-sided side swing move that we're going to go through. I'm going to do that in today's tutorial. I'm going to try and edit it and get it out today as a separate video. But I want to take you through this move because a lot of people have been asking me for it. A lot of people have been requesting it, and basically we're going to smash it up today. So look at this place. This place is so busy. This is London. This is South London. Look at this. You guys keeping everyone safe? No. What do you guys do? How do you manage everyone?
Well, we don't. Somebody else tells us where to go.
Okay, that's good to know.
We get the easy job.
We're in safe hands here, guys. A lot of them around here. All right, cool. Enjoy your day, guys.
Take care.
Yeah. Be safe. Bro. I'm in the barber shop and I've got parking attendant trying to put a, look at him. Sorry mate, I'm moving. I can't even get my hair cut in peace. Look at me, I'm still in my flipping robe. Parking attendant making me move my car. So I'm in the middle of getting my hair cut. I've got hair all over me. And the parking attendant wants me to move my car, which is good. Which is great timing, thank you so much mate. Now I've got hair all over my flipping car, which is annoying. Look, there he is. Flipping hell. So there's the barber. Barber had to move his car as well. I had to move my car. We're all in a mess here. Everything's just a mess here. Parked up like 5 minutes away from the flipping barbers as well. I've got my robe on. Can you hear that? Right near the football stadium here. Jeez, guys, look how annoying this is. Flipping. Oh. Let me fling you around this way. I don't hate many things in life, but parking attendants is definitely up there. They're probably up there in the top 5 things I really dislike. I don't know how they go to bed every night. They're just frustrating people. And this guy he must have been loving it. He must have been loving it because he got me to move my car and then he still had a chance to put a ticket on it because I didn't put the number plate right in the app. That was my fault, but I'm going to appeal it and I'm not paying this. I'm not paying £65. Yes guys, we are back at the studio. I want to make this tutorial, but I've got this in the background. Some guy it's gone like 3 o'clock and some guys just going mental. It's like the whole day's just been drilling. I don't know what they're doing, but they're sawing, they're drilling, they're doing something annoying. Yo! Dude with a drill! Hello? Bro, cut the noise, man. It's Saturday. You don't give a shit. What's cracking, Jump Nation? It's your boy here, Rishiest, aka the Jump Rope Coach. The actual footwork. This drill is gonna annoy me for now. Shit. Boss, all day no good, man. Cut it. Finish. 12 o'clock. Finish. No drilling, man. Cut. Finish. Thank you. Mate, this is the shit we need to do.
Gatito, gatito.
I need to finish this tutorial. Stop following cats. Come on.
Buy me a dog then.
Just smashed out the tutorial. It is now 6 p.m. Right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna get changed, I'm gonna shower up, and actually I'm gonna try and get this edit done on the same day. So I'm gonna actually start editing this, not this video, the tutorial. I'm gonna try and get that done now, get it out for tonight, which is Saturday, and then we're gonna head to my cousin's house.
Oh, sorry. We're so annoyed.
What's up? That's my cousin there. Hey Nisha, come over here for a second.
Right?
Look at all that hair.
One tab,
Look it, you see it?
which is a filter.
And here is... No, but look at it again. Gigi about to be doing some charades. Charades or charades? And Gigi doesn't know the word in English.
Can you
Check out the confusion. 2 syllables, yeah. How many words?
You can't speak.
one word?
One word, 2 syllables, yeah.
Go.
Octopus. Octopus.
Yeah.
Oh! Yes! And we got it on camera. Smashed it, G. She don't even know.
Me, myself, and I. No, not that one.
Me, myself, and Irene. Me, myself,
and I.
Person, man.
Selfie.
Oh, you did it! It just
selfie, me. Oh, what's that film?
Truman Show. What is going on?
I'm so bad at this game. What is this? You sure?
Of course. Trust me, brother. I mean, husband. I don't want to go home.
Let's go home, babe.
no. Actually, that was actually
2 o'clock.
I was so
2 o'clock in the morning. Girl's been getting on it too much, I think. This causes this. Bye guys. I need my hands in the shot. Bye guys.
seamless pancakes.
Get out of here.
Get out.
Get out. Thanks so much.
No,